Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. At the end of the last video, I told you I was going to kind of show you why I've been so far behind. As you well know, last year was a hell of a year for me with my dad getting sick and all that. I know I brought it up a few times, but I don't know if you remember this pile, but this pile was like, 10 feet high and whatever. And my new neighbors in the back, the beep beep guy, they actually got a pretty cool machine that chops stuff up. So he came over and we did this, chopped this and knocked this all out and got that creek bank all cleared out. Probably would have taken me weeks to do that. And also I got a little slideshow put together of what we've been doing on the house, siding the house. So I just really quick, I've been keeping this stuff kind of a little diary of it while I've been doing it. And I had 10,000 things started when all this happened, and I still got to do all this, get all this cut out, and this is all going to be handwork. But anyway, let me quit babbling. I'm going to put the slideshow up at the house. I'm actually going to put up some clips of this machine. This is an awesome machine that did this, took this crap out of here. I mean, this thing was eating trees that were 6 inches around. I mean, it just chewed them up. I didn't realize how much land had been taken over by briars and just little trees growing and stuff back in there. But anyway, like I said, let me quit babbling, put this up so you can see. And I've been having to do my refines, and I've been having to mow every 5 days. Everybody knows that. It's summertime. You know the chores. But anyway, so this is why I was so behind, though, because we've been cleaning this up, and I've been trying to get the rest of this burnt, but, rain. So anyway, let me get this stuff put together. You can take a peek at what I've been doing. Actually, had the daughter come up and help me. Cheryl wouldn't let me get on the little porch roof, so when they came to visit, she helped me put the shingles up. But anyway, you can't even see my barn anymore. It's so overgrown. I got to get in there and get around it and get it cleaned out too. So anyway, we'll get back at you in just a little bit. Jeez. It don't really even bog down, does it?
Yeah, it does. The bigger the tree, the more the bog.
Yeah, well, I'm sure, but I mean, just watching like something like that, it just walks right through it.
Yeah, but you know what this is? If you're actually going to do it yourself, you can afford that.
Yeah.
That's $100,000.
Yeah.
The machine's about 73 and the head's about 35.
It does exactly what it's supposed to do, though, doesn't it? Well, hey guys, as you can see, we're back inside. I just wanted to make this video so I could kind of show you what's been going on around here and why my videos are have been a little bit sporadic. I am finally getting caught up on stuff, so hopefully we'll get back to normal and try and get out about a video a week, and I can get back on these refines and get things done on time. I've been just so far behind trying to play catch up on everything, you know, doing the house and the yard and everything else, and now, you know, the mowing is, as everybody knows, it's got a yard, you got to mow about every 5 days right now. But anyhow, guys, so hope everybody's staying safe out there, and we will see you all in the next video.